Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which devices is using your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up your Gmail. Then from here, click onto your account and then click onto manage your account. Now, once you're over here inside your Google account, we want to go ahead and click on security and sign in. Now, under security and sign in, you're going to see any recent security activity. So you're going to see that all of that appear below that. Also, if you scroll down on this page, you're going to see your devices. So you're going to see where you're signed in. So all those devices are going to appear here. We can click onto manage all devices to have a better look of where you actually signed into. So essentially your Google and Gmail account is the exact same thing. So if you see something inside of here that you don't recognize, we can go ahead and disable it or log out. So I'm going to click onto this device here. Now we need to go ahead and re-enter your password. Then from here, we can go ahead and click on sign out. Also, we can find the device, or if you don't recognize something, click onto that. And then it will say if you don't recognize a device or session, sign out to them to protect your Google account. So we can go ahead and click on sign out on device if you need to do so.